Again, you tighten this with a screw. You can place your hard disk wherever you want. In this place you can place your hard disk and tighten that with a screw and bolt. Here is the cabinet where I am going to place my motherboard. See, the cabinet look like this. This is the front part, this is the back part. Here is a place where I am going to fix my motherboard. Here you can see lots of projections. This is to protect our motherboard from short circuiting. Now I am going to fix the motherboard inside it. See how I am fixing it. Just place your motherboard, then now I am going to tighten the motherboard with the help of screws. See, so that there won't be any shaking things happen here. And this is the place where we are going to place our assemblies. This is just computer power supply. After fixing it, I am going to tighten this with a screw. Now tighten this so there should be any shaking. Now I am going to give the power supply for the motherboard, and here is a pin. See, here is a lock, and you have to lock in this. Here you have to lock it. I am going to fix it. Then you have to place this wire here in this blue box. Now I am going to fix the DVD drive. See how I am fixing it. Just again, you tighten this with the screw. You can place your hard disk wherever you want. In this place you can place your hard disk and tighten that with a screw and bolt. Now I am going to give the power supply for the hard disk. This is the power supply port, and this is the transfer of data port. For transferring data, I am using the data cable, and I am going to plug in here, and you can see 4 data ports here, SATA ports here. Fix it wherever you want in the 4 ports. Yeah, I have fixed. And this is called as a bus wire. Just we are using for transferring the data. In olden days we were using this called as bus wire, and nowadays we are using the wire called SATA cable. This is also used for transferring data, and this is also used for transferring data. Thank you guys. I think this would be helping you. Meet you next. I am going to fix this bus wire in my DVD drive and in my motherboard, where the place you can see here where you can fix the cable. There is a place where we have to fix this cable. I have fixed this cable from DVD drive to the motherboard. This is why I am fixing this, because you have to transfer data from either from motherboard to your DVD drive, or when you insert a CD you have to transfer data from your CD drive to your motherboard, and where the bus wire helps for you. I am going to give the power supply for my CD-ROM. And this is the full setup where you can see all the hard disk, DVD drive, SMBS, processor with a processor fan, a motherboard, RAM, etc. This is a full setup. After this, just you can go and plug in the power supply, then you can enjoy with your PC.